Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand the payroll inside the system. For that, you have to come up to the settings from the admin panel and you have to come to the payroll settings. You have to enable all these features and save as per your requirements. And once this is done, you have to come back to the side menu, click on financials and click on payroll. Once this is done, the screen loads like this. So this is how the payroll management of the Workstatus looks like, where you get the payroll type as in you want to generate monthly or weekly. You can select the period between these two dates. If you want to have it manual generated or you want to have a stripe, you can just do it from the settings. After that, you have to run the payroll. Once you have done the payroll, the listing of the previous history is going to load like this. You can click on this to have it view what was the payroll logged by you. To initially start, you have to click on the run payroll. The payroll processes, and these are the list of the employees who we have generated a payroll for. Now here the rates, the total amount is to be given from the settings for the pay rate for the people. And you have to select the employees. You get an option to select the employees for whom you want to generate a payroll for. If you want to select all of the employees, just click here. So these are the number of people who have been selected for generating the payroll, and the amount shows up here. Now you can click on this I button for each employee to see the user timesheet and the expenses, and you can select the timesheets which you want to include in the payroll for the specific member. Once this is done, you can click on proceed to the payroll reduction. So the reduction page comes up like this, where you can mention the deduction in the percentage or in the fixed amount. Once this is done, you can apply for the deduction and the value is going to come up here. You can also imply a deduction as per person, which you can mention over here. And then after this is done, you can just click on this action button. So this action button loads up. It gives you a pop-up. It mentions the employee name, email ID, what was the original amount and the final amount that has come up after the deduction. It gives you all these details where you can view it and cross-check. Once you have verified all of the amount, you can proceed for transferring the payroll. So this is the manual transfer instruction where you can process the manual transaction through your bank or the payment system for each of the employee. You just have to click on this orange button to process the payment. Once the payment of all of the employees are marked as complete, then it is saved in the payroll history. So you can see that we just want to mark complete this. So this is completed. Once this is completed for all of the employees, so this is how the payroll manually is going to work. You can similarly do with the stripe. Thank you.